Have you ever pondered the idea of using ChatGPT to enhance your YouTube content creation? If so, today's conversation is about to take a deep dive into a fascinating world of artificial intelligence, content creation, and creativity. Let's pull back the curtain on groundbreaking technology that is poised to change the landscape for YouTube creators. ChatGPT, a brainchild of the innovative organization, OpenAI, is an epitome of advanced machine learning technology. On the surface, it may look like just another chatbot, but it's much more than that. It's a groundbreaking language that uses machine learning to generate text that mimics human conversation. Imagine having a thought partner, a brainstorming buddy, and a creativity catalyst, all rolled into one digital entity. But what does that mean for you? For starters, imagine not having to worry about running out of content ideas. ChatGPT can providentially answer your creative call by generating new ideas, suggesting engaging content, and even drafting scripts for your videos. Intrigued? We bet you are. The brilliance of ChatGPT lies not just in its ability to create content, but also in the convenience it brings. It's like having a personal content assistant available round the clock, ready to whip up engaging content at your behest. This is not just a tool, but a companion in your creative journey. A companion that does not get tired, does not run out of ideas, and is ever ready to support you. But how does this all work, you may wonder? What is the science behind this magic of words? Well, it's all powered by cutting-edge machine learning techniques. The technology uses vast amounts of data to train the model, making it capable of text that is astonishingly human-like. But how does one leverage this technology for YouTube content creation, you might ask? Is it easy to integrate into existing workflows? Can it really boost your creative output? And how can you make the most out of it? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a step-by-step journey to uncover the answers. Firstly, it's essential to understand what exactly ChatGPT is. This AI creation, developed by OpenAI, is an extraordinary tool that generates text based on the cues or prompts you provide. It's like an imaginative partner, always ready to assist you. Imagine having a magic pen that expands your thoughts into beautifully crafted text. You initiate the process by providing it with a seed, a basic idea or starting point. This seed can be as simple as a word, a phrase, or even a complex concept. ChatGPT takes this seed and begins to it, just like a gardener tending to a plant. It grows that seed using its cutting-edge language model, expanding and refining it into idea. Delving deeper, it generates a detailed script or comprehensive text, all from your initial idea. Thus, ChatGPT is your tool for transforming thoughts into expansive narratives. It's like a creative partner, always at your service, waiting to turn your thoughts into insightful, engaging, and rich content. You provide it with a seed, a starting point, and it grows that seed into a full-fledged idea or script. Now let's dive into how to use it. The world of artificial intelligence is continuously evolving, and one of the most exciting developments in this field is the creation of OpenAI's ChatGPT. This powerful tool is changing the game for content creators by revolutionizing the way scripts are created for videos. The first step to harness this incredible technology is to access the tool. You might wonder, how can one do that? It's simple. You can do this by heading over to OpenAI's website. This is the hub where you can access ChatGPT. The official website of OpenAI is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Once there, you'll need to sign up for an API key. This is an essential step as it allows you to interact and use ChatGPT. The API key is like a bridge. It connects you to the infinite possibilities that ChatGPT provides. Getting this API key is a straightforward process. It requires you to register and provide some basic details. Once you've got your API key, a new world of creativity opens up for you. It's time to start creating. The process is exciting. It's a journey where technology meets creativity. This is where the fun begins. The most remarkable feature of ChatGPT is its ability to create scripts for your videos. You have the liberty to feed it any topic or idea, and in return, it generates a unique, engaging script. Its ability to understand and produce relevant content is what makes it a powerful tool for content creators. For instance, if you're a tech YouTuber, you can simply ask ChatGPT to create a script detailing the latest iPhone features. It helps in generating content that's informative, engaging, and relevant. It cuts down your research time, giving you more time to focus on the presentation and editing of the video. Or, if you're a travel vlogger, you can ask it to generate a script about the top places to visit in Paris. Imagine the hours you can save on research. The generated script would be complete, including historical facts, travel tips, and even suggestions for local cuisines to try. The beauty of ChatGPT is that it's not limited to these two examples. If you're a beauty vlogger, it can generate a script about the latest makeup trends. If you're a fitness enthusiast, it can create a script about the most effective workouts. The possibilities are endless. Through ChatGPT, you get the advantage of leveraging artificial intelligence to create engaging content. The final output is highly customized and tailored to your specific needs. The possibilities are endless. Another way to use ChatGPT is for brainstorming video ideas. ChatGPT is an OpenAI language model that has the capacity to generate creative and innovative ideas. It takes your initial thoughts and generates a variety of additional suggestions or concepts. Using it as a brainstorming tool is especially beneficial if you're a content creator, a vlogger, a video editor, or someone who frequently deals with ideating creative content. If you find yourself a situation where ideas seem to evade you, where you're stuck in the trenches of a creative slump, or are simply exhausted from the constant demand of fresh content, ChatGPT can be your ultimate ally. Merely pose it the request for video ideas, and it will instantly provide you with an extensive list of potential topics to explore. It's also worth noting that ChatGPT can be used to create captions for your videos. This artificial intelligence model has the capacity to transform your content into a universally accessible medium. It is a game changer for video creators, especially those with a global outreach. Imagine having followers from all corners of the world, from the busy streets of New York to the silent deserts of Saudi Arabia, from the picturesque landscapes of New Zealand to the bustling metro cities of India. When language becomes a barrier in such a diverse audience, ChatGPT steps in. It automatically creates captions, doing away with the need for manual transcription. This AI model doesn't just stop at generating text. It also offers the option to translate the captions into various languages. It can translate into Spanish for your followers in Spain, French for those in France, Mandarin for those in China, and so on. This makes your content not just accessible, but also convenient for your viewers. Therefore, the power of ChatGPT is that it aids in not only enhancing viewer engagement, but also bolstering your reach to potential international viewers. This can be particularly useful if you're catering to an international audience, as you can translate the generated text into different languages. The final step is to refine the generated content. This process, albeit not overcomplicated, involves a bit of patience and an understanding of your unique narrative style. ChatGPT, as robust and efficient as it is, doesn't always produce seamless output. It's an AI model with its own set of limitations, like any technological tool. It's important to remember, it's trained to help, to facilitate, but it's not a human writer. It might miss nuances or tone that seems obvious to us. This is where your role comes in. Meticulously read through the output, identify any discrepancies, then modify and polish them to align with your personal style and the expectations of your audience. It's always a good idea to go through the generated text and tweak it to suit your style and audience. Now, to summarize, here's how you can use ChatGPT for YouTube content creation. 1. Access ChatGPT on OpenAI's website and sign up for an API key. 1. Use ChatGPT to create scripts for your videos by feeding it a topic or idea. 1. Utilize ChatGPT for brainstorming video ideas when you're stuck in a creative rut. 1. Leverage ChatGPT to create captions for your videos, which can then be translated into different languages. 1. Always refine the generated content to ensure it suits your style and audience. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an innovative tool that can revolutionize the way you create content for YouTube. So, why not give it a try and see how it can elevate your content creation game? The future of YouTube content creation is here, and it's powered by AI.
Yeah.